What is up? Good morning, guys. Well, we're back at it again. It's a new day. What's today? Today's Thursday, so I'm still back at it. I mean, I'm gonna get at it again. Yesterday, I started to lay out the pattern of where the flower bed's gonna go, where all the plants are gonna go. So just real quick, laying it out in those back two. They're gonna go higher than the front. So the front's gonna go 3 high, then the back is gonna go like 4 high, then the other one 5 high, so on and so forth. So those came from the top of there. That was the extra bricks from yesterday. Anyways, lemon tree, still good. How it came out yesterday. But today's business is getting rid of all this. All this has got to go. Got to clean all this out, clean it all out, because I got to dig a line. I got to put a trench all the way to over here so I can install a sprinkler system. And then once I install the sprinkler system, I'll be trenching the yard to figure out where I need my pipes. But for now, I have to trench the side of the house. But this morning, when I came out to check every morning I come out and check my cars and make sure everything's cool and what have you. I forgot. I was so busy yesterday with the refrigerator. And hey, go back in the lemon tree that I forgot about this. I forgot when I was digging up looking for all this. I left it open, so I gotta cover this back up. So I'm gonna cover that back up before I get started with the cleaning of this yard, because I'm not gonna be able to walk there anyway, because I'll be tripping over the holes. Let me get started on this and give an update in a minute. So far, so good. I got this area cleaned up pretty good. I got those pallets that were down there all lifted up, and they look like shit, although they did serve a purpose. Because when I come to my spigot, now I'm gonna be stepping on the mud. But I do want grass all right here. That's why I took them up. But I got most of all the junk right here ready to load up in the truck. So that's what I got so far. Looks a lot better than what it did. Come over here. You get a view from this angle. Whew. All right. It looks a lot better. Now that area I'll just clean up. That bike right there, I had originally brought it out to make a decoration out of it, to use it, implement it in my decorations. We might use that bike. Not sure, because it's an old bike. It's all rusted. It'd take more to rebuild it than anything, but it looks good like that as a decoration, along with that old tea cart. I'll see how I implement them in the decorations. But for reals, I got to get in here and make this tea, this Jamaica, this hibiscus tea. Oh, speaking of hibiscus, check this. that right there is the hibiscus plant. So if anybody's wondering what is hibiscus, or that's what it looks like, the flower. It's like what you see in Hawaii, and I think, what is that other picture? Oh, it's right here. So that's a hibiscus. So that's what it looks like. And when it gives out flowers, or red or pink flowers, and the red flower is actually what I use, or we use, to make jamaica. It's hibiscus to make the tea. So I'll get that going so you can see it. I got all the prep work out of the way. Rinse the flour, what they call the flour, whatever. Water's boiling, so now I'm just going to throw it in. Just start boiling that right there. I washed it real quick just to get some of the dust off. I'm gonna let that boil up, get nice and red. Check this out. I'll show you. Just so I'll let that cook up. I'll let that boil up, and while I get the pitcher ready and sugar and all that. And sorry, let me get this. Get my tripod ready. This is the picture I was looking for. I only make this much for me because I will kill this today. I could drink this all in one day. It's pretty good. My wife don't like it. My daughter don't like it. My granddaughter definitely don't like it. If you've never tasted it, to me, if you ask me, it's really, really similar to like cranberry juice. It's tart, and it's as sweet as you make it because you add your own sugar. Because other than that, it's just tart, like cranberry juice. It's not dry like cranberry juice. It's tart. It's just tart like cranberry juice. But people add orange slices in there. You can add lemon, cinnamon. I've made other concoctions with it, and I wish I actually forgot about it. And I'm gonna run to the store in a little while, so I might grab me some and do it again. But I get lemonade, and they sell a gallon of lemonade here where I'm from. I don't know if they have it where you're at. It's a company called I don't know if it's Milo's or Milo's, and it's like homebrewed tea, homebrewed lemonade. So what I do is I get like the lemonade like that. If I don't home make it, I'll buy that Milo's, whatever it's called, lemonade, and like half and half hibiscus tea and half lemonade. And oh, it is refreshing. It's a really good summer drink. The beginning of the summer, I was drinking that every day, almost every day. And that's it. It's just like any other tea. It's nothing to it. Just like making a tea. Yeah, as it boils more, it gets darker. Now this is what I like. Hey Google, volume 40%.
All right.
I'll probably have to get closer with the mic. Hey Google, volume 60%.
All right.
Hey Google, what are the benefits of drinking hibiscus tea?
Here's a summary from the website health.clevelandclinic.org. Health benefits of hibiscus tea. Protects with antioxidants. Fights inflammation. Lowers blood pressure. Lowers cholesterol. Promotes weight loss. Fights bacteria. And supports liver health.
Bam. That's why I drink it. And for the taste. I love the taste. But it's about done boiling, so I'm getting ready to get here. Yep. That's ready. Let me turn it off. Get my water. Should be good. Got that all poured up in my pitcher. See how dark that is? It is dark. Smell. Oh, it smells good. Now I just got to add the sugar. Now this is, you can add it. You can add as much as you want, as little as you want. This is all on you right here. But me, I personally add about a half a cup to 3/4 of a cup or so because of how tart it is. That's just me though. And I'm not, I know I got some health issues, but I'm not like pre-diabetic, or I don't have no sugar problems or nothing like that yet. I hope I won't ever get them, but so see what happens. Give me. Anyways, cheers. Here goes. If it tastes good. I think you're supposed to let it simmer a little bit longer and let it set up, let it sit there, but I'm thirsty. I can't wait. Want it now. Yeah, see, it's not as strong as I thought it was going to be. It's good, though. Really good. It could be a little sweeter and a little tartar, but I think that's good. Sorry. Cheers. Ooh, I feel my blood pressure dropping. Ooh, I feel my antibodies fighting. Pop, 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 pop. Right. Let's take a few minute break after I finish that Jamaica in the yard. I'm tired now. I could feel it, but I was getting hungry, and I started thinking about yesterday's salad that I bought for my wife at Winco. When I was at Winco, they had the submarines too, along with the salads, and like they had this little combo of half salad, half sub. Looked good. They have the deli set up right there, you know, right by the coolers. So they have the ladies making sandwiches, macaroni salad, potato salad, salads, regular green salads. They make all kinds of stuff and they just set it out there for lunch. And like it literally was wrapped like in lunch packets, like lunch specials. So I'm sitting here getting hungry and I'm looking like, hey, what could I eat? And I don't feel like last night's leftovers. So I think I'm gonna run down to Winco and grab a sandwich. It's what I'm in the mood for because it was hot and I drank that Jamaica, which was refreshing. I don't want to eat hot food, so I'll just go get a sandwich. And I'm not used to vlogging in public yet. And so I'm going to take my GoPro, just my GoPro. And with the GoPro, I don't have an external mic yet. And I don't know if I'm going to get an external mic. I'd rather put the money towards the Action 5 camera from DJI or something. Because at least with that, I can get the external mic with it. And it's a lot smaller than these. And they smell. See, I'm getting hungry. I can still smell the food from last night. So they sound better when I go, look at your guys' videos and you're using the external mic from DJI. It just sounds better. These, you can tell they're cheap mics, but it is what it is. I'm going to go to the grocery store, take the GoPro. I'll get some footage as much as I can because I'm still, like I said, I'm shy. I'm still shy at vlogging in public. So I will try to get a little bit of footage. And I just caught myself saying, so I'm working on it. There's a few things I'm working on. Saying so, anyways, anyhow, and my foul language. Not only for my granddaughter, but get to Winco. Well, the rain started, guys. So good thing I finished up when I did. Now I'm just gonna call it evening with this vlog. So nothing else I can do outside. There I go with that so word. But there's nothing else I can do out here for tonight with this rain. And I'm gonna go get cleaned up and get dinner started. Call it a night. That's it. So I'll see you guys on the next one.